use the back of their pencil and trace it. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. Then they're gonna try, and that's where that kinesthetics and muscle memory works. They'll turn it over. They're gonna try to practice it without seeing it. So that's C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. They'll flip it back over, and I always say use your muscles to arm tap it. So C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. If your child is left-handed, it's different. They're gonna go bottom to top. For me, because I'm not left-handed, so C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. That's just helping with that muscle memory. And then on the back, they will write it twice. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T, cat. The reason we underline it is so that we're telling the students to remember to blend the word together. It's just not C-A-T. That's not the word, but it's actually